Man, do you guys run a utility trailer? You ever ask yourself, like, I wish I could haul more leaves out of this property. I wish I could haul more brush on this dang trailer, or just be able to haul more materials to the next job site. Because I know that's what happened to me when I used a utility trailer, and I still use it. Well, if that is you, watch this video because I got a fix for it. What is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping, and today we're going to be talking about putting some walls on your utility trailer so that way you can get the most out of this trailer. Now I got the sunglasses on because, as you can see behind me, we got snow and it is super bright out today. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'm all about bringing you guys some tips, tricks, advice along the way, as showing some day-to-day stuff as I work full-time and run a lawn and landscape company. Now, I will also be doing product reviews throughout the year. So yeah, so if that is right up your alley, please smash that subscribe button. Alright guys, so it is cold outside, so we are going to get started in this video. So, like I said, we boxed in the trailer. That way we can haul more materials, haul out more debris, all that jazz with the utility trailer. The thing is to try and make the most out of everything you have. So instead of only having about a 12 to 15 inch height on the rails of the trailer, we now have about a 36 to 40 inch height on the trailer. Alright, so let's jump right in on a little bit on how we built this, a little bit of system that we had building this, so hopefully it makes sense to you guys. All right, so what we got here is we have 2x10 and 2x4s. This is all treated lumber. It's going to be out in the weather. It's going to be in rain, snow, cold, whatever it may be. So you want to make sure you get treated lumber. Okay, so the trailer has an L-shaped frame on the bottom. So what we did is we drilled at an angle so we didn't drill through the metal, and secured this first 2x10. Then from there, we did the same thing to the rail going all the way down. Now, as you can see there, we did go past where the wheel well sits, so that way we could cover up that gap there, give us a little more distance of material that we can haul out. So once we put our bottom section on all the way around, we then went in and secured the support bases on the very bottom. The 2x10 is secured to the trailer, so we screwed the 2x4s into there, and then this kicked out past the L frame, so then we then screwed up into this. So this is super secure. You start with a good base, work your way up, and everything should lead to follow. So we screwed this one in, worked our way around to the sides. So once we got our base all the way around, we then screwed in that support beam there and that one there in the corner. Now, when you first started off, we drilled from the outside going in, so that way it's screwed into the bottom sections right there. From that point on, we made sure to leave a 1/4 inch or so of spacing between each board. Like I said, it's going to be out in the weather, so you're going to need to give the board some room to expand and contract. That way it doesn't splinter off. So once you get those screwed in, you then follow suit and work your way up. Then once we got the very front one done, we then secured it with this 2x4 here. Now, I will say real quick, we did use a star head, I believe they're called. They're a 6-point head. This will save it from stripping when you put the screws in. Also, it'll help, so that way if you have to take them out, they're not going to strip as well. Alright, so now that we got the front all secure, we then worked one side at a time. Now we want to try and keep everything level all the way across. So we had this support in already, so now we're going to then put this support in. Just like we did on the front, we're going to work our way from bottom to top, make sure to leave our spacing. Then once we get those screwed in, we are then going to put another 2x4 on the inside, screw to there, so that way this one's secure. As you did to the left side, make sure you do to the right side. Alright guys, so a little bit of the dimensions that we have going is this is a 7-foot wide trailer. We went about 5.5 to 6 feet in length on the walls, and then the height is about 36 to 40 inches. So once we got the walls all built, we then went in and put eye hooks around the trailer, so that way we can now use the bungees and secure to this. Instead of stretching a bungee all the way down and hoping it holds in there, we use the bungees, secure them right there in the eye hooks, Easy peasy lemon squeezy. They're super convenient. Not only can you use your bungees around these, but you can also thread rope through there. So if you're tying off brush or anything like that, thread it right through there and you have plenty of room to do so, and it holds in great. So guys, not only did this add some height and everything like that to where I can haul more debris or materials, but also now what I can do is I have plenty of room to put brand new signage on there. All I used to do, I don't know if you can see that or not, is I just put one of my yard signs on the very back of the trailer. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a nice piece to go down the side on each side of the trailer with my business name and all that stuff. So that way when people drive by, they can easily see who it is, but still you can never have too much branding. So once we get signage on this, I believe this trailer should be pretty much done. Besides adding more accessories to the trailer itself, trimmer racks, backpack blower racks, gas can racks, which we will be talking about here in the next upcoming videos. But for the most part, this trailer is ready to go. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I am getting cold. Tomorrow is supposed to be like 5 degrees, so it's going to get even colder. It's almost the weekend. Hopefully you found this helpful. This is just a couple $100 investment that is going to get the most out of your trailer. So if you could, please be sure to smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful, and if you've done anything like this to your trailer or anything I can add to this build here to make it better. Once again guys, thank you very much for tuning in this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest.